This is the Samsung Galaxy S3 smartphone, which is a popular and representative Android device on the market today. We'll be using this phone to demonstrate a vulnerability, a so-called SMS phishing or SMiShing vulnerability in the Android open source project. The Android open source project is what's used to build the firmware for a large number of phones, so it affects much more than just this device. This device is running a fairly recent version of Android. We've seen up to Android 4.1.2, aka Jelly Bean, is vulnerable. However, even this device, which is the original Android developer phone, running Donut, aka version 1.6, is vulnerable. To demonstrate this vulnerability, we have developed a demonstration application that we're going to download from the internet right now. And there it is, it's been downloaded. And when we install this application, you can see that it's not requesting any permissions. In other words, it's completely unprivileged. It doesn't say to the user that it can do anything dangerous. However, upon running it, it claims to be able to fake the reception of a text message from an arbitrary number with arbitrary content. This is the essence of phishing. Phishing is essentially tricking the user or some agent that acts on the user's behalf into taking an unsafe action. So in this case, when I press send, it appears that I just received a text message from my credit union saying that I need to do some action, in other words, calling a premium phone number or going to a suspicious URL on the web in order to reinstate my account, when in fact this is not going to be connected to the credit union at all. It's a pretty neat trick because in this case, this phone doesn't even have a SIM card. The SIM card is what gives your phone a phone number. So it's impossible for this phone to even receive a text message or a phone call for that matter. Again, showing the generality of the attack, here's the Android developer phone that we'd shown earlier. It also has the same app installed on it, and when I press send, I again received what appears to be a text message. We've been in contact with the Google Android security team, and they assure us that a fix is in the works for the next release of Android. In the meantime, as always, it's a good idea to be skeptical of messages that you receive on an electronic device, be they email or SMS or other, and also to only install applications from a trusted source.